Hello, ma'am. Good day. Please introduce yourself.
I am Ruth Robles. I'm 38 years old, married with 3 kids, ages 18, 16, and 5 years old. I'm a high school graduate.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My parents will be the one who will take care of my children.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 1 sister and 1 brother.
Can you please tell me about your working experience?
I work abroad as a domestic helper for 1 year and 9 months. I serve 4 families, 2 couples, 2 children. One is newborn and one is 2 years old. And then I work here in the Philippines for almost 4 years with the family of Luna Campomanes, 1 mother and 4 kids, and I do laundry, cooking, ironing, and babysit and take care of the children.
How about cleaning?
I clean also the house.
Are you willing to sleep late at night and wake up early in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
What if your employer is not home and the baby keeps crying? What will you do?
I will cradle the baby. I will once the baby has his diaper, I will check his diaper if it's clean or maybe it's wet. I will change the diaper and then I will check his temperature or if he is sick, and then if he is hungry, I will feed him. And if he is sick, I will call my employer to make a further instruction.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong to earn money for my children to their future, and then I want to support my needs of my family.
How about if you feel homesick? What will you do?
I will pray and I will focus my attention to my work.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through that town.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, mom, I love pets.
Do you have any foods that you don't eat, or do you have food allergy?
No, mom, I don't have a food allergy.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will finish my 2 years contract, and as long as my employer needs me, I will stay, mom.
Can you please describe yourself?
I am honest, trustworthy, and a responsible person.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, Mom. I hope you choose me to become your helper. I am thoughtful, trustworthy, I am responsible, and I promise I will finish my 2 years contract. For as long as you want me, I will stay, and I will serve your family as my own. Thank you.